The replacement of worn-out cutting edges on track-type tractors, scrapers, and motor graders, no matter how big, is now simpler and less time-consuming. Plus, it doesn't require any special tooling. Lifting holes have been added to the cutting edges to allow easy removal and installation in the shop or in the field. This demonstration on a motor grader will show how new load links allow a single person to safely make the change. And safety is the first step. You can change cutting edges using an overhead crane in the shop, but in this case, we're using a service truck with a jib hoist. It should be parked on a level surface. Then check for overhead obstructions like power lines. Make sure the area is clear of other people. As always, wear the appropriate personal protective items. To start, lower the blade onto a block or jack to protect against the possibility of hydraulic failure. The cutting edges now have 2 lifting holes, which are smaller than the plow bolt holes. Despite the addition of the lifting holes, all cutting edges retain their same part numbers. The threads are in the back half of the lifting hole, so a worn edge can still be removed. There are 2 newly designed matching load links that attach to the lifting holes. They can be universally used on all cutting edges. Securely attach the 2 load links by inserting bolts into the front side of the lifting holes and then tighten the bolts. Then connect the hoist to the end link of the load link. After putting slight tension on the load links, you can remove all the plow bolts. After making sure the area is clear, slowly lift the cutting edge away from the machine. With the old edge removed, disconnect the hoist from the load links. Remove the load links from the old edge because you'll use them in attaching the new edge. Use the same process as earlier in connecting the load links to the new cutting edge. Be certain the bolts are sufficiently tightened in the lifting holes. The new edge should remain level as you use the hoist to position it adjacent to the blade. With the hoist maintaining tension, you can use the plow bolts to attach the edge to the blade. With the edge securely fastened, disconnect the hoist from the load links. Then unscrew the bolts and remove the load links from the cutting edge. Remember to put away the load links so they are ready for the next changeout of cutting edges, whether on a track-type tractor, scraper, or motor grader. This safe one-person change of cutting edges allows for more efficient use of personnel and increases machine uptime.